Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check After Effects version and update your GPU driver if it's outdated. Open the project in a clean workspace and disable third-party panels so they aren't interfering. Next, change the renderer to Classic 3D or toggle GPU acceleration off. This isolates GPU-related black screens and lets you know whether hardware rendering is the cause. Once done, save a copy and proceed to a targeted render test to collect clear error behavior. You now dig into the middle steps, purge memory and disk cache, and point the cache to a different drive to rule out corrupt cache files. Disable hardware-accelerated effects and pre-render, or replace the comps causing the black frames. This narrows whether an effect or plugin triggers the issue. Also verify footage color profiles and re-import suspected corrupted media. Make sure to test incremental renders after each change to see which action fixes the black screen. To finish, reset After Effects preferences and, if needed, run it in safe mode to eliminate preference corruption. Reinstall or roll back the GPU driver and switch the renderer to software only to confirm a hardware driver problem. If the black screen persists, create a minimal test project with the same assets. That isolates the failure to specific media or effects. One key tip: when stuck, reproduce the issue in a tiny file so you can iterate quickly and find the exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.